Polar bonds in a water molecule. This is a model of polarity in a water molecule. On the picture on the right, you can see that the electrons orbit mainly around the oxygen nucleus, leaving the two hydrogen nuclei more positively charged. On the picture on the left, you can see that the two hydrogen and the oxygen nuclei form kind of like a V shape. And this atomic structure of a water molecule affects polar bonds because the electrons spend more time orbiting the oxygen nucleus than orbiting the two hydrogen nuclei, leaving the oxygen more negatively charged and the hydrogen more positively charged. This makes the entire molecule polar, with one end slightly positive and one end slightly negative. The two ends of these polar molecules can attract one another. Polar bonds are essential to life because water's polar property is what makes water able to dissolve materials and have lower density when it's frozen. Obviously, water is essential to life, and without this property, water wouldn't be considered water. One specific importance of polar bonds in a living organism is DNA. Hydrogen bondings are polar bonds. They are found in secondary structure of proteins and in DNA. This is not a unique property to water because many other molecules can have hydrogen bonding. An example is DNA.